Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and I am a second year law and criminology student at Cardiff University. So today I moved into my house. Let me show you around. I currently unpacked a lot of things. This is just a container. I got some gum, my hair clip, my key, and let me just show you my room. So it's kind of the same layout as last year, but I feel like this room is smaller than last year. I got 3 hooks. My stuff in there, literally just moved into my luggage, some bags, literally duvets there, bags there, little welcome box that they give to everyone. I'm gonna open it later. And then this is the view that I have. So I just literally have it of houses. It would be sick if I had it of the river there. And so that's the view. And then we got the bed, it's like 3/4. That's my jacket, literally plug sockets there. And this is the same bathroom. Obviously you got some tissue. This is the bathroom. Yep, that's it. And so this is our kitchen. So you open it, it's quite roomy. This year we have 2 fridges, which I'm so happy about, because last year I only got 1 shelf and we were sharing between 4 people. This year it's not much of a struggle. I think everyone's moved in now. That's the fridge, then the freezer, then another fridge, and this is just the kitchen, which is really nice. The Hoover doesn't work, which is in here, but I guess we're gonna have to do it old school way. Sofa, there's a tea stain on it, but you know, yeah, we're gonna clean it up afterwards, or we'll just have a chat about it, whatever. And this is the view. I love this like corner view. It's like so nice. Imagine if you removed like the curtains here, like it would look so nice. And basically that's the River Taff, I think, or if I'm not mistaken. And these are just like houses, obviously. And that's just the view of my accommodation this year. So that's basically it. Now I just have to unpack and organize everything, which is not gonna take me just today. But I do have church to go to, so I'm gonna get ready for church and then sort out my room as the week goes by for orientation or for when uni starts, and then I'll be good to go in like 2 to 3 weeks, because I still need to order some stuff for my room. I am gonna make some like vlog videos about what you should bring to uni, what is really helpful, what not to bring, and all of that, so stay tuned for that. But basically the rest of this vlog is just going to be me showing you my room and my setup. And yeah, this is the welcome box that they gave us, so let's see what's in here. So welcome to your home, Unite students. So this is what they have, like their own app that you can like put in maintenance requests for it, which is really nice. So leaflet. Okay, so we have a tropical guava drink, energy drink. Okay, that would be nice. Some pot noodles, of course, you need this. Some hair serum. Okay. Then we got some fragrance free formula. It's probably some cream for your face. Wow, some leave-in colored conditioner. This is really nice. Some gift gaff SIM cards. Okay, cool. Some checking whether your dig-in box is worth 1,000 or 30,000. A pizza slice, 50% off all pizza. This is amazing. Valid until October. You know what? When life gets hard, we'll use this. And 20% off JD. Yep, of course. Freedom. Tesco. Oh, National Express. Yes, please. Then you got some HSBC. Oh, to sign up for the student card, I think. Yeah, student banker card. Uni Essentials guide. To see what you... It's like a little booklet. Let me open this up. Okay, that's cool. I mean, I'll read it later. Let's see what else is in here. Fuel the first, smashing the first year. I'm not even in first year, but I'll take it. I think, oh, this is the same brand, so it's like PR. And a tote bag that says hello from Unite students. That's pretty cool. So that's their welcome box. So I've just about finished decorating and moving everything into my room. So this is what it looks like. So we've got my jackets, got a gilet varsity jacket and a puffer jacket. And I also got a shoe rack because I didn't have this last year and this is such a room saver. This is my bathroom. So we have this and then we have me, and I'm just holding my LED light controller. I just have a shelf and all my products, and I would really recommend you guys get these racks from Amazon. I got them in a pack of 5 for around £20, and they're so helpful to just shelve everything on the wall when I don't have space, as you can see. Then you have my room. You've got this long mirror, and then I've got my laundry stuff, my gym bag, my bags for school, obviously some big packets of rice, some spare plastic bags. Then we have my beauty section, so we have, you know, my perfumes, my lip glosses, lip tints, hairbrushes, hairsprays, my film camera, which I am wanting to use as soon as freshers starts or university starts. I've got this shower cap, but it doesn't fit my head, so that's great. And I got these hairbands. They're really great for like Asian hair or just hair in general, as they're not the plastic ones. And I got this for like £4 something, so it was really nice. And I've got the elastic ones here, I prefer these ones. And I also got this scrunchie. Anyways, I've got some whiteboard pen markers because I was thinking of getting a whiteboard and sticking it here or somewhere. And then just this like little poster. I need to decorate this full thing, but I don't know what to decorate it with just yet, so we're gonna have to see. Then we have my desk. You've got my laptop, then you've got a keyboard, then you've got a wireless mouse too, then just my earphones, a clock, a journal, diary, a mirror, you know, just all the essentials, and just some pens if I need it. Then we've got my sockets and electrical stuff. Then you've got my nail stuff when I do my own nails, so I did this today, and these are gel nails, by the way. And those are just like paper and pens and folders if I ever need to use them. And then of course there is this. So it says, don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith and in purity, which is stated in 1 Timothy 4:12, which is really encouraging sometimes when people look down on you because of your age. Then I've got this little reminder that God cares, just in the middle of everything. Then we have this, and it says, it always seems impossible until it's done. And I think it's just a really nice reminder to have around my room. And then you've got my 3/4 bed, which is really nice, and the same duvet and whatever from last year. Then we've got my baptism photo. If you guys haven't already, check out my testimony or like my baptism post on Instagram where I explain a bit more about it. And then obviously my Bible, and just an encouragement there. So let's not get tired of doing what is good. At just the right time we will reap a harvest of blessing if we don't give up, which is in Galatians 6:9, and it's just a really encouraging thing. And I purposefully had like loads of Bible verses all around my room to remind myself of not getting tired of doing the right things. And then I also have a clock there because a girl tends to wake up late or early, I don't know, but just to help me manage my bearings when I first wake up. And then multi-surface wipes, some soft cotton spray, some room spray, another room spray from Primark water bottle. Then we've got my clothes, and this shelf is from Amazon. It's really nice if you have limited space, and it just saves me so much. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and also there's also this post-it. So it says, she is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future, which is said in Proverbs 35:21. And that's just really cool because, you know, I'll open this up and I'll see that and I'll be like, wow, that's really cool. So yeah, this is just a really brief room tour. of my room this year, and I set up the LED lights a bit differently this year. So yeah, I put it around this cabinet instead of like that, like last year. And let me show you with the lights off. So this is my room with lights off, so you can see LED lights are really nice, and I've got it all the way down here and all around. So yeah, so I hope this vlog or room tour has really inspired you to get things that will help you save space and are really good for your room. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you have, leave a like, comment and subscribe. You know the drill.